All right, happy Friday. It is Full Auto Friday. I'm a couple minutes late, so let's get straight to it. Let's focus our attention up here into the top left hand window here. I am going to load up Full Auto. Now, it's Full Auto Friday, so we kind of focus on those kind of questions. If you've got advanced level questions, today's the day to bring it. Monday, come for the new stuff. If you are brand new, you joined over the weekend. We'll probably have a lot of people joining in over the weekend because right now is Black Friday, the best time to get involved with us, of course. So hook it up. Christmas season is upon us. I can't wait. Kids are already talking about getting the tree out, all that kind of fun stuff. So it's Friday. Let's go. So simple. Are you ready? I'm literally going to be clicking a couple buttons. Arm long, arm short, full auto, Enigma on. Right here. This is basically it. I'm going to run this. I'm going to turn this on across 6 instruments. Now, you don't have to do this. Remember, there's a whole lot of discretion to you on what you want to do depending on your risk tolerance, your account sizes. You should be practicing this stuff in sim and market replay before you decide to go live when you are comfortable to do so, etc. etc. But if you are going through our training program, we'll go deep diving on all that stuff. Get through the 8-day boot camp over the weekend. If you are new with this, it is currently still in the free section, but I have completed all of the edits. They're done. They're ready. It is as fast as you can possibly learn our system. It's there. 8 videos. You can cover them there. 1 to 2 hours each. So plan to, it's going to take you a day to really get through those. If you just took took this weekend, I was like going to sit down and do it all in one swallow, you're going to need about maybe 6 to 8 hours. You could put it at high speed too. I like to listen to myself at 1.5x speed. I feel like I talk too slow. Some people say it's too fast, but I don't know. 1.5 feels pretty good. So run it at a little high speed there, get through it there on the weekend. And then if you decide to join with us, you will have 100 videos ready to go for you in the premium member section where we go deeper into everything we cover. The 8-day boot camp is literally going to hit everything real, I don't know, say super fast, but remember, it's not a super deep dive on every topic. So once you have chosen your 4 or 5 strategies, which is kind of our goal, to choose your 4 or 5, then you want to go in and master those. All right. Got that full auto turned on. We are early here. It is 9:07. Let's get things started. I am going to kick it off right now.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
Welcome aboard, everyone. What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Swiss government confirmed that US tariffs will be reduced to 15%.
Michael Othrew. I think you are ready. It's Friday. Favorite day of the week. Let's get going. Now I'm going to come down here into my main window. We've got the desk cam working again. So over here on my left, here is my literally handy dandy physical version of the digitized 5 trade tracker. And you can print one of those out yourself or download that one. You can go to a print shop and have these done. We've got a spot where you can get those special glossy ones done as well. Or if you just want to grab the electronic one, this is in the community tools section for you. Don't forget, I approach the markets like a video game, so I'm going to be targeting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 trades. But within my 5 trades, sort of like playing Mario Bros, I really only need 2 winners to put chicken dinner on the table. So you'll hear me say winner, winner, chicken dinner, and then I will focus all right here on that bonus once I've got my 2 winners. All right, now it's Friday, so a couple of different things on a Friday. I've got some rules, early in, early out. My longtime mentor, Joseph James, I'm not sure if he's hanging out here with us this morning. I had a quick chat with him there this morning. I'm not sure if he's going to be able to join with us here, but my longtime mentor, one of them, I believe he was the one who introduced me to the concept of early in, early out on a Friday, but I don't know, maybe it might have been Oliver. But anyhow, even in my own stats over time, I found several things that I also just like being early in and early out on a Friday to get other things done, to go do other things. And the stats did prove that out for a period of time, but kind of not anymore. AlgoBox is so good now, I could technically trade all day on a Friday too, but hey, don't tell anybody, it's top secret. Just kidding, just kidding. Tell whoever you want about it. In fact, if you do tell someone about it, you can get paid. There is an affiliate program on the left-hand side of Discord. Somebody last week said they signed up for it and it took them 30 seconds. Because I asked them, how long did it take you to fill out the forms on the affiliate program? It said 30 seconds. So if you want to become an affiliate and get paid, we've got a 25-25 program. What is that? That means we're paying 25% commissions. Now, I don't know why people don't understand how huge that is. Nobody else in the industry does that anywhere. Nobody. 25% commissions, and we're doing $25 CPMs. So if you're a video creator, content creator, and validated views, and they have to be actual videos with a 60-second commercial that we will give to you to put into your video. But if you're doing some topic about anything trading related and you've got views coming in, fantastic. We will pay you $25 CPM on top of whatever it is that YouTube or Kick or wherever is paying you. So, or if you know of someone who is interested in doing something like that, there is a multi-level affiliate program there. So you can tell someone who is an affiliate and you can get 1% of what they do. So how cool is that? So, just get somebody signed up who can get views. If you're like, well, I can't get views, but hey, I know a guy. Get yourself hooked up. Lots of ways to win around here. Speaking of lots of ways to win, there's a headshot right there that I just missed. Quick little opportunity there. Well, we're on moderate buy side, so I'm not going to kick myself for missing that here. Moderate buy side, but that is a headshot short after a double red Enigma plus a cluster event right there. And that should be something you recognize from the training already. Got the cluster plus double Enigmas in there. Pretty easy short right there. The move down on it, currently 117 ticks. You can grab a 20 and a 40 bag out of that pretty easily. I'm on the 4s, and so my target one is 20 ticks off of the 4s. One question, Vinny. Any benefit to doing tick change for AudioBox? Yes, there is. Let me get the chat here on screen, and let me show you what he's talking about here. So on AudioBox, if you go into the settings of AudioBox, and if you've got our default workspace, this is already set up for you. But if you are looking at various settings, let's see, AudioBox, here it is, all the way down at the bottom. On price change, I believe this is what you're talking about, correct? The calculation method. So calculate on price change. Now, I think you're asking, is there a benefit to going to tick? I mean, in theory, yes. Like you might be milliseconds difference, and if your PC can handle it, fantastic. If you start to have some lockups though, like on each tick, I mean, literally, you understand what that's doing, right? They have that calculation there for a reason. If you want it to calculate on every tick that flows in, and NQ on wild days and wild moments, like it could just be like all over the place, and if that could potentially hang you. I have literally not even tested it. Like, it's not even a thing like I even want to do. So, but test it for me. Let me know if it's smooth on you. Let me know. That's one where I would, I told you guys there is a trick where you can run 2 NinjaTraders at the same time on your PC, right? So you can technically do that. Now, it's not supported by NinjaTrader, it's not supported by us, but if you're in the neck of the woods of, super advanced level power user, you can run 2 NinjaTrader executables at the same time. You have to use a VirtualBox software, but once you do that, and I don't mean a VM, let me see, the one I use is called I don't use it very often, so I'm trying to remember what it's called here.
Fib.NQ.
Sandboxy. So I use Sandboxy Plus. I have the paid version of Sandboxy Plus. Also, like, I use it to, like, I'm running 2 versions of Winamp at the same time. So I've got Winamp 1 and Winamp number 2. So most of the time, like, you can't run 2 Winamps at the same time, but I've got virtual Boxy app. So Boxy Plus, you could technically run 2. So if you wanted to run a test, now you would need 2 data feeds. But these days, who doesn't have 2 data feeds? I mean, who has the most accounts running right now? Let's see it in the chat. Tell me how many accounts that you have currently purchased. I don't mean like that you have used in the past, but I'm talking about currently active right now. How many accounts you guys got who are in the trader funding programs? Tell me down. Let's see who's... You're running 74 right now? Like right now. Is that right, Late Nate? How about that? Let's see. He might be... I have a feeling you might be in the contention for the highest. Can anybody beat 74? I doubt it. I think you've won. Let's see if I can get my fix there.
So Saudi Iran.
Strong's got 12. Windrider, he's got 15.
Saudi Crown Prince's visit to Washington next week, according to sources.
20 funded. The rest are evals. All right.
For a stake in its Louisiana LNG project.
Not necessarily funded. Just wondering how many active you've got. Like how Late Nate was saying right there. 20 funded, so he's running 20 funded, and then he's got 74 in eval mode. I'm sorry, in total.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Nice. All right, little mega Late Nate there, and a break of the dot into neutral now. We are no longer sitting hardcore, just sitting on buy side. We are still early. It is 9:16. We got about a little less than 15 minutes to the US Open. Let's get financial juice rolling here. $10 Apex, 5 TPT, 2 personal, 3 Boolenex.
NQ on the 2.
Evals are mostly Boolenex and Apex. Very nice. So one thing I want to show. So we have a new grid here on our website, and if you want to become an AlgoBox disciple, get a big discount there, an extra $1,000 off even the Black Friday offer, and become part of the discipleship program. And one of those commitments is using code AlgoBox when you get your accounts. Of course, let me move that down a little bit there. And so these are the ones we're currently associated with that I think are pretty good. Funded next. Trade day. Now I don't have Take Profit Trader on here yet. I'm waiting on them to respond back to me. I don't know what's going on. I haven't heard back from them yet. And MFF will be added as well. Those are 2 that I have also heard really good things about. MFF, Take Profit Trader, and I think that will round out our list there. I don't want to be associated with all of the. I mean, you know how it is, and it's like they're coming up, they're popping up dime a dozen now. Like it's like every other day there's 10 more out there, it seems like, and it's yeah, I don't know what they're gonna do with that industry, but hit it while you can. Hit it while it is hot. All right, because I have a feeling at some point it's not, and I could be wrong, but I just think there's a lot of things wrong with some of those.
Touch NQ on the 34. Double Delta NQ on the 2.
Legend. Now, I like the name of Legend. I have not heard too many things about it. What do you think about Legend there, Windrider? First question is, does it connect to NinjaTrader? Because I know there was one out there, Prop Shop, although I think some problems happened with Prop Shop recently. Isn't that right? Like Prop Shop, I heard some other bad stuff just recently occurred with them. And they do. Okay, Legends connects with...
Double delta.
Well, we might need to be part of the Legend crew. I mean, come on. Legendary, let's go.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
They're legit. They have relatively high activation fees. My question on them, are they based in the United States?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Oh, Super AO. All right, I'll grab that one for my first play. It's Friday. We got a red dot on the 89s. But man, that is a very strong up move there. For a strong buy, so I can only go really a 20 ticker.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
The shift. Utimus. All right, 20 ticker, trade number 1, $900, 914. I was hoping to get 1K out of it, but I hit the wrong button. I was trying to hit the buy bid, and I hit buy market. So I got slipped a tick or so there. Should have been 1K on my first trade. Super AO, hype in the chat. Pretty easy one, Super AO for the win. And it was a shark tail as well. Just here to play the video game, folks. Just playing the video game. Just playing the video game. I've talked to Greg at Legends a few times, going back to when he was running the brokerage. He is legit and in the U.S. That's awesome. Hey, when you say you talk to him, like, does he get on a call with you, telephone call, or it's like over? What's the? How are you getting in contact with them? Exactly. Text, email, Twitter chat, Discord chat, on the phone. What? How did you get it? How did you get these phones? Don, we gotta talk. All right, bro, I'm calling you after the live stream. How are you getting these guys on the phone? Yeah, because I need to follow up with Take Profit Trader and MFF, send their stuff, and it keeps saying, "Oh, still waiting," for like forever.
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Fibdot's been on your side this week more than normal. Nate, what's this? What's your setting? Question on your fib dots. What is your well, what are your settings on it, and which AO are you on? Let me show you which one. Hopefully this doesn't lock me up here. We're still 8 minutes before the US Open. Check into the indicator settings here. Ah, it's locking up on me. Oh, I see GC starting to move. Maybe is it going to let me get by with one? No, I definitely recommend that you disconnect your settings before you start messing around, or disconnect your data feed before you start messing around with settings. All right, let's see. Is it hung? It is hung. All right, 1 moment, and I'm going to log it back in here. Oh, I forgot to turn off real-time protection. Sure, that definitely did not help. Probably locked the file. Let's get that turned off now. If you haven't done so already, make sure you turn off your real-time protection as well. Don't want your files getting scanned while the data is flooding into your PC. It is always a bad thing. right, should be coming back up here. Let's see. I haven't done any drawings yet, so I really didn't lose anything on that. But I do want to go into the indicator settings on the fib dot. And when you were saying that your fib dots, I'm not sure what you're saying. They were more on your side this week. I'm not sure what you meant by that, but was curious your settings in the Fibella Pro here. Strength of swing. So I have like a little bit of an odd one here. I've got it set to 38. I'm kind of like, I want it at 40, but I'm kind of front running a little bit by a couple of ticks. So on that strength of swing, was curious what your settings are right there. And then your look back period, you set to 250 and 38. Curious what you're set to. Let's connect again. Kit Carson, I told you the other day, I saw your settings. I told you you're messing around with settings, bro. Like you're over there. I told you set 1 day or 3 days, and you're over there like, I'm setting bar days. And I'm like, I told you don't. Listen, I expect you guys are adults. I don't want to treat you like children, but like, do it when I ask nicely. Three algo bars, default settings on the 6s. He's a little late, but wanted to play with the swing strength on the 6s. I gotcha. Yeah, I mean the dots lately have been on point big time for 40 ticks each. Yep, that's the way to do it. Just what Late Nate said right there. 1 day for Tuesday through Friday, and Sunday night, 3 days. That's it. See, look at that. Late Nate. Look at that. See, I don't even know why he's calling himself Late Nate, because the brother's on time. He knows the rules. All right, Kit. We're giving you a little bit of a hard time there, buddy, but just follow the rules. Do what everybody else does. You're like, I'm not sure why mine's not. Well, do what everybody else does. You're trying to do something everybody else isn't doing.
Divergent double delta and on the 4Q on the 34.
You set number of bars, and I told you not to. Oh, my wrong size. Sized appropriately there. All right, try to grab a continuation. Let's see if I'm going to get stomped on that.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
What's our time? 2 minutes. This could pop up on that 8-2. This is the first time we touched into moderate sell. I was hoping it would go strong sell. I see almost everything pointing down. ES starting to point back up there, though. Don't want to get caught off sides there on the first play there this morning. I'm going to add a hard stop back behind this cross.
Lower bands touch
and shoot. All right, that's what I get. Tried to catch in on the audio box play.
Double delta.
Too distracted there. I need to get this set back to
The market on open imbalance.
counts there. Okay.
Double delta.
Adding in on the cross. I missed my entry there again. Terrible.
Double delta NQ on the 34.
All right, I'm bailing on this play. I'm just happy to get away with a small loss on that.
Fib dot NQ on the 2.
Nothing to write home about there. Here comes the open here in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. All right. Got our work cut out here for us.
On the 4.
Okay.
10 seconds.
Cluster cross. 10 seconds till the open.
Fib.NQ on
Markets
the 4.
on open imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 307 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side
Divergence of
26
NQ
million.
on the 34
Dow
on the
30
4.
sell side 76 million. Mag 7
Upper
a buy
bands
side of
touch
just
NQ
2
on the
million.
34.
All right. Popping up fast. I'm going to grab that short. Boom. Too easy. Too easy.
Upper
Level 7. Yes, please.
NQ on the 2. Upper band.
There's also a mega late Nate over here on the right. Speaking of late Nate,
Upper bands touch
I
NQ.
wouldn't say one of my favorite plays, but it's one to respect. We had the 6.7 mega late Nate. There we had the white cross and a 6.7. So the mega plus the late Nate plus level 7 coming in right there. So had a high time frame opportunity, lower time frame risk.
34.
I'm going to try to grab that headshot there and another 50 ticks for another trade. That is trade number 2 and the bonus. And I'm done. I am done.
Lower bands
What's the time?
on the 34. Double delta.
1 minute past the US Open. We've been live streaming for 27 minutes and I'm up 3K on the day. Let's go. Let's go for the show. Headshot short.
Finger NQ on the 34.
Tesla shares fall 2.9% after a 6.6% drop in yesterday's session. The Dow.
That's actually a power headshot, right? Because it had
NQ on the 4.
a color cross.
Double delta.
So let's label it appropriately.
Fib.NQ.
Mr. Training Man.
Divergence NQ on the
Power headshot short. A dot with a cross. White cross standard is standard headshot.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
What did I do to Kit's thing there, bro? There we go. Late Nate. I can't remember why I put this here.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Enigma long on the NQ4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. On the 4.
All right, dropping off the charts. Ooh, double ready DD might get a bounce here. Yep.
NQ on the 4.
Bounce up. Super AO short.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Here in drilling.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 2.
Okay, this is on. This was an important zone from before. Remember this? We kind of talked about this yesterday. If I've got a zone I've drawn down here before, it was something important. We're in it. So let's see what happens inside of here. I'm going to grab a double move measurement from the top of this pivot into the 3.8. Let me see where that's going to take me. Ooh, all the way down there. Okay. I'm going to leave that right there. Green dot just showed up.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Little bounce up there. Enigma short, but we've got clustering here as well. Remember, now I'm in bonus territory, so I just want to hit something that's right on, spot on. The amount of speed and craziness, you can see at the bottom left, it tells me too fast. It's telling me too fast right here. Now, if I want to turn my psychology module on, I can click this button right here, and it'll be like, all right, it's red. It's got a giant X on the screen. It's too fast, so this will cue me in. When this screen, this is kind of where sometimes I don't even want to look at the screen. What I'm going to do is, while that's on, I'm just going to chill. I'm not even going to look at it. I don't want to get, I call it Medusa affected. I don't want to be tempted into a bias. What I want to do is, when I see this out of the corner of my eye, no longer be red. This goes back to our nice gray / black background, now that we've got our nice modernized gradient. But when we get our dark background back, I want to look at that again. So right now, I don't even want to touch it. Don't even want to look at it. It's too fast. It's whipping around like crazy. I don't want to get stuck into something there. Yep. See, like, yeah, everybody's like, oh, getting short right there, and then all of a sudden, yank. You know, don't want to get caught in on something weird like that. Oh, there's a mega late Nate. I would have liked to take that one. Would have liked to take that one, but look how fast that happened. Would have been hard to have grabbed that, but that is a perfect one right there. Mega late Nate. That's a super mega late Nate. Right there for that quick one.
Touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands double NQ on the 34.
Super mega late Nate. The drop on it was 68 ticks.
Double delta.
And then we yanking. Whoa, whoa, she's going like crazy. See? And that's why I mean, like, I don't want to. It's doing this number right here. I don't want to touch it. I'm going to wait.
NQ on the 4.
Okay, here comes 9:35. We are 5 minutes past the US Open now. There's an Enigma. All right, I am going to take that Enigma, though. Half position. Oh, it hit. Wow. That came down, hit the Enigma target, and decided to run some more. Wow, look at the drilling. Look at the drilling. Holy shnikes. Oh, man, I'm wishing I hadn't right there. All right, now I can get in on my position. That is a Titanic zone. Still sitting here in too fast territory. Risky. Wish I'd gotten a little bit bigger on that. Okay, I'm going to peel half for a little bit of a loss here. As it pops up, I want to add to my position.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
There's a dot. There's a cipher. Wild child. Should have waited till this this red on my screen is telling me this is not the time to play, Vinny.
34.
Y'all remind me later how I got in playing on the red. Let's zoom in here to it and see how this goes.
Fib.NQ
Might be in trouble. Headshot, add to position.
NQ on the 2.
Almost got back to my POE.
Fib.NQ on the 4 on the GC2.
Another red dot. Should have added on the red dot there. I missed it. Too fast. I'm going to peel half on 6.8.
On the 4.
Seuss.
Fib.NQ on the 4. NQ on the 4. 2-finger NQ on the 34.
I'll close it out right there. Got back to almost where I was before, but not a great move there, bro. Not a great move. See, we should be not touching this, right? There's a giant X on the screen telling me there's a I got the red screen here, but I got tempted in with that. Such a juicy play. But look at this. Look at that nightmare up move. If you went short down here, look at that. I mean, they yanked the bear so hard. 650 ticks to the upside. Holy shnikes in seconds. And they're still wrecking them. And then there's my super AO. Way to go. Thank you very much. 4K on the day. That is a monster. 9.3 super AO. I'm hitting that. You know I'm hitting that. You know I'm hitting that. That's almost a dime right there. Let's go. 7.3 mega late Nate. I'll tap it again.
DCDM NQ on the 4.
GLR up above at S1. You're going for S1 for fun.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 30.
Oh, I missed my half off.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
I'm here at my half area. Switch dot. Sell. Headshot. Short. Close. Targets filled. 6,500 on the day. Let's go! Oh man, that was fun. Get smoked. Get smoked. Woo! You gotta love it. That was some hotness.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love you when you talk more. You're not here, it's just not home.
Up after reports that Samsung raised prices. Micron is among them, up 1%.
Enigma short on the ES2.
And the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index hits over a 3-week low, last down 1.9%.
Oh man. Well, I can't say that was Butamus. I mean, I was playing when that was too fast. It's still too fast. Even right now, it is still too fast. All right, this is not for the faint of heart. This has been a huge move up. Let me turn that music down a bit. We're just having a little bit too much fun. But I mean, come on. That was pretty awesome. Let's pull up this view. Look at this wild move. So, what a nasty, gnarly, upside down middle finger play right there. Whoop, whoop. Yikes. Giant middle finger. And the yank and gank. So high. So high. That was wild. Alright, delta shift here. Pink dot up on the right. Yeah, I'll give that a shot too. I mean, it's coming up so fast, it's probably not going to last. And I got a delta shift with it. Come on down. Come on down. 7,500. Grab me another 1K on it. Come on. Come on. Super AO with a delta shift. Let's go. Let's go. They're just handing out cake today, baby. Let's go. I don't even got to wait around. Oh, man. There's the super dot right back behind it, too. Now there's a super dot. Let's go. Let's go.
Divergence down.
Super AO, delta shift. Oh, man. That was juicy. Now, the high time frame opportunity was also there. Okay, so over here on the right, we had some more along with it. I wasn't just trying to catch the inverted knife there. But yeah, that was nice. Super AO delta shift right back behind it. Secondarily, you got the super dot right back behind it. Right there. Boom. Calling it. Calling the high. Calling the, all right, now it's done move. And now all the way down. 222 ticks on the drop for the Super AO Delta Shift with the Super Dot. Let's go. Oh man, look, I should be pressing the button again right here. I'm not going to. I feel like I'm done now. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm pushing my luck now. Let me count my coins. Let me grab my Trump coins here. Y'all know the drill. Look, we got the desk cam back online, so let's use it. There's number one. Let's see if I get the clink. Can y'all hear that? I'm not sure if y'all can hear it. There's a chink. 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure there was 5 trades in there. I don't know. I lost count. Did y'all lose? Did y'all? Anybody pocket watching me? How many trades was that? I think it was about 5. Oh, look at this cluster. Oh my goodness. I gotta press the button. Are they gonna make me press the button? I gotta press the button here. I'm that far up on the day. I may as well go for 10K. Come on now. This is a Mega Late Nate Super AO. Of course they're taking my money from me now. There's a triple. There's a triple.
Enigma short on the YM. Enigma long.
Oh no, not an Enigma. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I couldn't react. It's too fast. It's telling me it's too fast, and it sure was. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get 10K out of it.
Divergence down.
I'm gonna peel half. Too dangerous. I gotta hear sellers. Because it could make another yank up.
NQ on the 4.
There's a red dot. King timing. Give me that drop. Let's go. 8,500. I'll take another 1K. Wasn't gonna get me to 10K. I could have gotten 10K if I hadn't peeled my half, but I was too chicken. Too chicken. Yeah, I was too chicken. 8,500 it is. Fine. 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 Let's go. Oh, there's the pop up. There's a double 9. I mean, okay, you want, okay, fine, fine, fine. You want to give me 10K? I'm happy. I'll take it.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Divergence down.
Oh no, switch dot. Too fast for me to react. It's too fast. It's too fast. I can't react to that. It's too fast.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 30.
Oh no. Okay, break it. Crack it. Crack it. Crack it. Crack it.
Enigma short double delta NQ on the
crack it. Uh-oh. Enigma's gonna push.
Upper bands.
Yep. Enigma's gonna push. PRZ cross.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 30.
Pull in half.
Upper bands touch.
Am I gonna get some? Seuss. Back to POE. Titanic zone. Seuss.
In a statement, China's foreign ministry
Oh.
Chinese nationals to avoid traveling to Japan in the near future.
To Japan? What? What are they doing? Who's shooting who?
NQ on the 34.
Did war just hit today?
NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ.
Dotted.
NQ on the 9.
GLR. Power headshot on the high time frame. Algorithms in control.
Upper bands.
You can feel them.
On the 34.
Power headshot on the
34. NQ on
9s.
NQ on the 2. Upper bands.
They just turned on the buying algorithm though. What time was that? What time did they just start powering it?
NQ on the 4. Upper bands.
There's probably my Super AO exit. Red dot. Add to position.
Fib.NQ.
Oh, don't break it.
34.
No, don't break it.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
What are they doing here? What are they doing? How big a move is this now?
Upper bands down NQ on the 9.
Ukraine's military say that it struck oil refinery in Russia's Saratov region.
What? What? Dude, somebody knew. What?
Upper band.
Oh, come on, man.
Upper band.
Come on, man.
34.
Might have to give all my Trump coins back.
Touch NQ on the 34.
What happened to our Minister of No Wars?
4. Upper band. Touch NQ on the 89.
Where'd the Minister of No War go?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
What is this? All out war? Ukraine's bombing.
Upper bands touch NQ.
Bombing stuff.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Military, Ukraine's military say the strike on the Novorossiysk damaged valuable port infrastructure and an oil terminal.
What? They're blowing stuff. They're blowing stuff up and market go parabolic.
Upper bands.
Okay.
34.
Okay.
Double delta.
Yeah, I'm believing that about as much as I believe ICT. Nope. Okay, so inversion, we'll need a triple touch up here before we come back.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Double delta NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 2.
Are we gonna get it now?
On rare earth are causing shortages, raising prices for users in aerospace and chip making, according to sources.
Yeah, you don't say. Oh, Enigma.
So China's export controls on
Get out of there.
in specific are causing shortages and raising prices.
Okay, markets are going absolutely nuts.
Lower bands.
I can't even see a triple touch over here.
NQ on the
Oh, there it is. It was. Do you see the triple crown? Can you see the triple crown? Type a 1 if you do, 2 if you're new, 3 if you're still just here to troll me. Everybody wins today.
On international macroeconomics and finance, the globalization and economics of the external sector. This event's in Zurich. This is an invite-only event, but again, Lane speaking at the top of the hour.
Invite only event. What are they talking about?
34. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 2.
All right, I'm gonna flatten all on the bots. The bots are up 2,600, and I don't. Oh, let me out, bro. Let me out. Okay. I'm out, and I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. 10K. Let's go. 10K on the day. Bots up 2670. We'll take it around 13K. Massive movement today. Holy shnikes. Holy shnikes. Let's go. Is it even 10 o'clock yet? It's not even 10 o'clock yet. It's 9:51. We haven't even hit 10 o'clock news yet. Pretty sure there's a 10 o'clock news coming as well on that.
Enigma short on the GC2.
Wild.
NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ.
This is not normal. If this is your first time around, and by not the numbers, but I'm talking about this market condition on Friday, something's up. They're talking war right now.
PM's recent remarks on Taiwan.
Dude, they're talking war.
NQ on the 2.
People bombing places, Ukraine bombing.
Double delta NQ.
What was the other one? Something about Japan, like don't travel to Japan for the next couple months because they're saying that Japan's gonna get. What's going on with Japan?
34.
I haven't heard anything about that recently. Is that a thing?
Double delta NQ and touch NQ on the 34.
Yeah, wild Friday.
Fib dot upper band on the 4 and divergence.
Okay, here we go. On the run up. On the run. Watch for that GLR touch. Watch for that GLR touch.
Touch NQ on the 34.
I'm gonna FOMO it. There's an 8. There's a super AO. Mega late and 8.
Upper bands touch NQ.
Delta shift. Almost to the GLR.
Upper bands.
There's a GLR touch. Sell as 6.7. Add to position.
NQ on the 30.
Come back to my POE.
Double delta.
Oh no. Okay. Switcheroo. Delta shift. 5.9 on the optimized range. Somebody verify for me. Optimized range is 34 this week. Yes. I've got 34. I'm pretty sure that's right.
Delta NQ on the 4.
Half. King timing. Add to position on 50 cent.
Fib.NQ on
touch and drop. Close it. 13,000 plus 2. Get you some 15K on the day. Come on now. Oh, yes. I got to go get some coffee for that one. Let's go. Oh, buddy. Oh, man. That was smoking. Get smoked. Woo. Wow, that was fast. What a game. GG's. 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 I'm getting coffee.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe. I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when we talk. Cool with you, not here, it's just not home. Let go without you near
Two-finger NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 2. Upper band NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 4. NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game.
Fib.NQ on the 34.
It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late.
Double Delta NQ on the 2.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like
Fib.NQ on the 4.
So in 5 minutes time now at the top of the hour, we're expecting comments from ECB's Lane speaking in Zurich, and also in 10 minutes time at 5 past the hour, we're expecting comments from Kansas City Fed's Schmidt, who speaks on monetary policy and the economic outlook at the Kansas City Fed and Dallas Fed's Energy Conference. No indication whether a text is expected, but it will be a Q&A.
it's too late.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 2.
It's too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game now.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. Long on the Fib.NQ on the 2 on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9 on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9, Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 2.
Game AlgoBox is too late.
Low impact Caesar MMO on the 4 for Schmidt. Caesar MMO on the 34.
AlgoBox makes trading like a game.
Double Delta NQ on the 9 on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch and double Delta NQ on the 2 on the 4. Double Delta NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch double Delta NQ on the 9.
Oh man, did I have multiple music streams playing at the same time? My bad. I was too excited. Had to hit it and get it. Oh man, what's our time? 9:57. We aren't even at 10 o'clock yet. What is going on? What is this? What is this?
Fib.NQ.
Wild Friday indeed.
Fib.NQ on the 34. Enigma long on the NQ3.
That was some craziness. GG's. Good game. Good game, bros. GG's.
Fib.NQ on the 34.
Well, that was some over trading. You see what happens when you overtrade? I'm not trying to talk about that in a good way. I'm literally saying, like, look, we had finished our 5 trades. I mean, we were pretty much green across the board. And then I just got tempted by that. I was like, oh, okay, let's go grab a few of those. It was too tempting. I mean, when was the last time you saw this big of a move in that short of a period of time?
Fib.NQ on the 34.
Where's Joseph James at? Is he hanging out here with us today? Bro, when was the last time you saw that move in 10 minutes?
NQ on the 34.
Was that a 10-minute move?
NQ on the 9.
On the 89?
NQ on the 34. NQ on the
Let's see how many ticks that was.
on the 34.
1,357 ticks in 10 minutes. What? On the 89.
So we're shortly expecting comments.
That might be a world first for me. I've been around this a long time. I want to check with another veteran.
There will be a Q&A for Schmidt. Again,
See what Joe says about that.
Fed Schmidt, 5 minutes past.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. Enigma short delta double delta.
I don't recall seeing it that big of a move in that short of a period of time.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Here we go, 30 seconds till 10 a.m. news.
Double delta NQ on the 4. NQ on the 2. Enigma long on the CL2.
Oh, dude, come on. You're gonna make. I gotta go half position. I'm so high up at this point. I got some risks to play with here. Zeus, this is all kinds of delta shifting going on here. Now, I prefer that it's 3. I don't like the back to equal number on that.
NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 4. NQ on the 2.
And close. I'll take it. 14K there. And I got ripped on that exit. That sucks. Got ripped on the exit. Pink dot short. Oh my goodness. Look at that terrible entry. Wow, I got ganked. I got ganked. All right, I'll take some. 16K. Let's go. All right, pink power dot pushing her down into the 9.9. Obviously too fast. Go ahead and put my background color on to try to remind myself to not play. Is Joseph James in the chat? I'm not sure. He hit me up. He pinged me this morning. Fridays is kind of, I don't know if he says it's his day off or not, but he does not.
NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ.
Don't quote me on this. I don't think he does his usual 4-hour thing in the mornings on Fridays. I'm gonna ping him. I'm gonna ask him.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 2. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Enigma long on the NQ3.
He's here! I just woke up. Did I miss anything? What? I don't believe that.
NQ on the 4.
Joseph James can't sleep in. No, wait, you sleep in on a Friday, Joe? Man, you should have seen that wildness. Okay, I was asking a minute ago, have you ever seen the market move? This might be a world first. Now, mind you, there was war news. Like, they were talking about Ukraine pumping. Okay, this is the 89. Okay. 89 ticks per bar right here. 10 minutes. That was a 10-minute, 1,357 tick move. Have you in your history remember that? I don't recall ever seeing that big of a move that fast. The epic retest on ES and NQ. Yeah. Have you ever seen something move 1,300 ticks in 10 minutes? I don't know. I can't recall one. Maybe you can jog my memory. I don't. In my history, I can't remember seeing that. Not that fast. Now, I've seen big 1,300 tick moves, but I'm talking about in a 10-minute move. That was crazy. What was the time? It might have been less than 10 minutes. Let me see. Yeah, 10-minute move. That's wild. Craziness.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 2. NQ on the 4.
Yeah, that was an epic trap. Dude, talk about the nastiest. That might be the nastiest, gnarliest trap. Although, I don't know. I've seen this before. Like, I literally, that right here, y'all, that's a Tuesday. All right, that kind of trap happens a lot. Okay? That's what I call a middle finger. All right, literally middle finger, because he's like flip it upside down. There's a little fingernail there. All right, and he's giving you the finger upside down. Like, these happen, but that fast? No, usually that pain for somebody on the wrong side of that is long and drawn out. That ripping that fast like that was crazy.
Enigma long on the NQ3 on the 34.
Oh, the bots reopened to play. I forgot to shut them all the way off. Okay, hold on. They just made another $100.
Upper bands.
Okay. Now I'm turning them off. Full auto off.
Comments from
off.
Again, there's no indication whether a text or Q&A.
Now they're all off. Okay.
Keep in mind as well, this is a invite only.
Now they're off. They took another trade. And I was like, why is there a trade open? Oh yeah, I forgot. So I flattened all, but I missed one to After you flatten all, it does not disable, folks. You're going to have to go back and disable.
Double delta NQ
If you use this flatten all button. Okay, if you use the flatten all, oops, yeah. If you use our flatten all button on the bot, it flattens the play. Now, it's different from the one, if you're familiar with NinjaTrader's flatten all, no, it won't. Just kidding. Just forget what I'm even saying. It doesn't turn ours off because I have implemented it separately. I do not implement it through a strategy. We are implementing it as an indicator so that it can be interfaced with your chart.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. NQ on the 2. Double delta NQ on the 2. NQ on the 9.
We're seeing a text release from a Fed Schmidt. It says Fed policy is modestly restrictive, which is where it should be. Monetary policy should be against demand growth. Says my concerns on inflation are much broader than tariffs alone. And says I prefer to focus on overall inflation rate when setting policy. Says there's no room to be complacent on inflation expectations and cooling of labor market like
let's see, 5965.
labor market closely.
Not exactly the ideal for a 1-2-3 banger.
Financial markets and the real economy are not showing signs of being overly restricted.
We want to see these two flipped.
Decision to stop
Like if this was a 6 and this was like a 7 or an 8,
and ease access to standing repo facility.
we get the reversal. This could be a continuation.
Q3.
So I would be expecting continuation here because of the numbers. 5, 9, and then we reduce on that third one. That means it's got more juice, generally speaking.
On the 9. Fib.NQ on the 4. Enigma long on the NQ on the 34. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Touch NQ on the 34. Enigma short on the NQ.
Oh, I'm going to take that Enigma. I'm only going to go a half position here on this, but it's an Enigma. Target's filled. Sure, I'll grab another little bag. Come on. That was a super power moonshot. Come on. You got super because they're ready DD. Super. Power because you got a level 6 Flowmaster AO event plus the Enigma.
Upper bands touch
Makes it a super power moonshot. Had to grab it.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Where are we here?
Double down NQ
Power.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 80.
A 10.1. All right. Well, I got to slap at that. Are they going to get me to 20K today? I mean, let's go. I'll take 20K. I'll take 20K off your hands.
Double delta NQ on the
There's a 50 ticker right there. 23,277. Let's go. The surprise money Friday. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh, man.
upper bands touch NQ.
Come on. You're going to give me a 10 on a shift? Let's go, bro. On the right corner of my eye, I saw a high time frame as well.
Up NQ on the 9.
On the high time frame, look at this. We went 13.34 ready DD, bro. This is like fake out. Yikes. They're about to get a middle finger play. Yep. Look at that. Middle finger to the top side. Middle finger to the upside. Wow. Look at it.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Wow. It is time to go home. Holy shnikes. And I call them middle finger plays because it's literally because it's terrible. It's literally the worst. Literally F's you up hard. Hoy vey. Legend has it Vinny's toe in the water position is 32 contracts. No way, bro. Oh my goodness.
NQ on the 30.
Legends in the realm of how history is created, and we all know that all history is fake by now, right? History is a set of lies agreed upon. So I guess in that sense, agree away.
Fib.NQ on the 89.
All right, this is telling me it's too fast, big time. Not playable.
Double
So fast.
on the 4. Two finger and
But sometimes, I mean, like what happened in there, Well, there are some just absolutely amazing plays. I mean, I gotta at least give it a swipe. Like, look at that HMD at the top. Crack. Look at that. Crack. Let's go. That drop.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
269 ticks. You can get a bag out of that.
Upper bands touch NQ.
There's an Enigma pushing up right there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 4. NQ on the 34. Down NQ.
Oh, is that a super AO? Ooh, super AO followed by headshot. I don't know about that. Let's start leaving that one alone. But when I first saw that 9 in a ready DD, I would want to try to short that. But then we just went strong buy, like headshot back behind it, so fast you can't react, which is why it's red and a giant X on it, and it's telling me it's too fast. So no touchy.
Enigma long on the NQ4.
Speaking of no touchy, how come you guys are no touchy on the like button? Do I got to put a poll in the chat? You hit the like button. All right, I'm gonna add a poll.
Enigma long on the upper bands touch NQ on the 34. 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 Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Like Raymer, one Vinny, what are your AO set at? Let's see.
On the 89. Enigma short on the NQ4.
I am on the 4s, so since I'm on the 4s, I've got it set to 5. Because yeah, you're probably like, how did I get those right there, right? I think that's why you're asking, right? Yeah, I have them set to 5 because I'm on the 4s. So when I go up this high, AO tuning, I have seen that when the tuning, and this is recent, when, yeah, so see like this one 5.8. So this is, I mean, just look at them, right? Like, and this was an assessment through Alpha Omega tuning. It wasn't like, it's not like I want to necessarily do that, but on this high time frame, when I've pushed up to the 4s, to be able to get that
15 basis points.
relative information that I want, I'm showing 5s. Does that make sense?
NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 4. NQ on the 9. Double
So I've got 5, and then I shift color, I believe at 10. Now, or I might have even done 8 or 9. I don't want to go into my settings right now. Market's moving too fast, and it could potentially lock up on me, and I don't want to disconnect. Otherwise, I just show them to you.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Okay, another one with indicating continuation, right? Because that's a 9 and then a 7, so continuation, sure enough, right? The 14th. Okay. So here's the bumps and humps today. With this.
NQ on the 34.
Put it up here for now.
Fib.NQ on the 34. Divergence up and lower bands touch NQ on the 89. Enigma long on the NQ4. Fib.NQ on the 4.
We got the live desk cam back, and I'm like, oh, I'll go grab some coin. No, all the coins are gone. I've already we took all our trades.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 2.
I'm just kidding. When the market's this hot, We might have some more shots. We've earned some more shots. It's like Mario Bros. Video game. You know, you start out with 5 lives, but you know, along the way, you hear that. Oh, that was a terrible way to say it. Let me try this. I think we've got a sound for it. Mario 1-Up, I believe is what it's called.
Along on the NQ3. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Lower bands touch NQ on the 8. The upper bands touch NQ on the 9.
There we go. There it is.
NQ on the 34.
So you're playing the game, and all of a sudden you hear that. You're like, oh, I got extra life. Let's go.
Mashed potatoes.
That's right.
Double delta and lower bands touch NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ.
All right, let's get my giant P&L out of the way.
Touch NQ on the 34. Two-finger NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Got some more trades to take here. Look at this.
Double delta NQ on.
All right, I see a delta shift on the 34 range. High time frame opportunity, low time frame risk, and I'll take another 27 bag. Let's go. Look at that. Look at it. High time frame. Y'all saw that one, right? Everybody got that 5.3 on your optimized range?
34.
Super AO on the 34 range. High time frame opportunity, lower time frame risk. What did I get in the lower time frame? I got the ready DD inside of a butterfly. Tagged it, bagged it. Now we're to the king timing.
Down NQ on the 30.
They're pushing. Got a green dot right back behind it. Almost to the bull touch. Here comes the bull touch. Ready DD. Tag it.
Upper bands touch NQ.
Tag it.
Short on the RTY2. Upper bands touch NQ.
And grab another 20 bag. Let's go. $400 away from 25K. I'm gonna not even think about my jinx. Not even gonna think about it. I need $400. I got my $400 superstition.
NQ on the 4.
Don't jinx me. I said it out loud. I know I'm in trouble now. $400 away from $25,000. And of course, that's what happens. Of course, isn't that how it goes? See?
NQ3.
There it was. All I needed was that $400, and that next play didn't quite get it for me. Oh, look at that, and I'm jacking it up. Now I need... it's fluctuating too much. Now I can't tell. All right, I'm trying it on this 8.3 here. I'm literally gonna just watch my P&L.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Yeah. $500 away. And that should do it. Oh, $40 away, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Oh, I saw 25 flash and I got slipped. I got the commissionator was like, nope.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Give me my $40. There we go. There we go. I got it. I got the Mega Late Nate. Mega Late Nate showed up. I was like, there he is. There he is. Play the video game. Let's go. Let's go. GG's. You lose. Maybe next time, ICT. Maybe next time. You suck.
Monster kill. Monster kill. Smoke weed. Monster kill.
City to city, cause I'm shiny boys is poppin'. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk.
The $40 superstition. I know, right? I thought it, but I didn't want to say it, so I just pressed the button. I was like, nope, not even gonna say it. Not gonna acknowledge it, just press it. Press the button, Vinny.
NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.short on the
UK
NQ
10-year gilt yields rising to the highest since October 14th at about 4.57%, up 13 basis points for the day.
It's too late to miss the game.
Pip.NQ on the 2. Double delta NQ on the 4.
All right, let's get zoomed in there.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Enigma
Lower bands touch NQ on
pushing it again. Sputimus.
lower bands touch NQ on the gas source. Double delta NQ on lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
In 10 minutes time now, that's the hour. Typically natural gas change from EIA. Forecast the build of 34 BCF and the prior build of 33 BCF.
Lower bands touch NQ on the
Syria said there's no official update from the Dutch government on the lifting of the order.
34. Pip.NQ on the 2. Pip.NQ on the 4. Pip.NQ on the 2. Pip.NQ on the 4. Pip.NQ on the 4. Pip.NQ on the 30.
Alrighty then. Well, we almost got to 100 likes today, folks. We almost got there. It's a shame, but hey, you know what's not a shame? It's Black Friday. Let's get back and play it on Monday. Back in the game. GG's. See ya. Art team. Why don't you show these fine folks how it's done?
NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have front end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Pip.NQ on the 34.
Rewind.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Pip.NQ on the 4. Pip.NQ on the double delta NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Rewind.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex things.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Pip.NQ on the 2. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. NQ on the 4.
Follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the
Pip.NQ on the 2.
Delta 5 waiting. Long, look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. One down on freeze.
Pip.NQ on the 9.
Target build.
2. NQ on the 34. NQ on the 4. NQ on the 2.